You know my girl now. Yeah. You know my girl just called me up, and she woke me from my sleep. You should have heard the things she said. You know she hurt my feelings deep. I'm gonna buy me a dog.
A dog?
A dog.
Why?
Why? 'Cause I need a friend now.
Babe, you need all the friends you can get, I'm telling you.
I'm gonna buy me a dog. My girl, no love, no how. Don't ruin my song. It's the only song I have.
Ruined, so it was wrong.
Where's the verse? She used to bring me my newspaper.
You don't even know where it's
'Cause
at.
she knew where it was at. She used to keep me so contented. But I can teach a dog to do that. I'm gonna buy me a dog.
You couldn't teach a dog to do that. You can only train elephants.
'Cause I need a friend now.
I need a friend now.
Now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy me a dog.
A dog here over Fido Spot.
My girl, no love, no how. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hike!
Hi.
Hike!
I was late on that one.
Oh, yeah.
I just got back from Africa, you know. I was playing cards with the natives.
Oh, Zulus?
No, I usually won.
I wish I had a glass of water.
Why, you thirsty?
No, I want to see if my neck leaks. I'd buy a raccoon, but John already has one.
35
Where do I
bucks.
come in? Okay. I'm gonna buy me a dog.
Dog.
A dog?
Yeah.
'Cause I need a friend now.
Yeah, yeah.
Boop boop, shabop bop, ram-a-lam. I'm gonna buy me a dog. What, my girl don't let me know how. How? Now, brown cow. I think I'm gonna buy me a dog, yes sir. I'm gonna buy me a dog. If I was looking for a word to describe what I'm gonna buy, I think dog would be the word. It would be dog. That would come springing from my lips. Dog. It'd be springing from my...
Coming. Can you turn it up, please? Can somebody open the door and let us out? They're coming to take us away.